Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do Send It on Snapchat. So guys, at first you have to download Send It app. So for that, go to your Play Store. Now you have to download this app, and guys, you can see I have already downloaded it on my phone. Now go back and open this app. So at first you have to connect this app with your Snapchat account, and once you will connect it, you can create any question from here. And then simply tap on the share button to share it. Now take a picture, and then you have to tap on the next option, and then your Send It will be shared. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do Send It on Snapchat very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.